So this next panel is a bullet shield option. It's a level 1. This is what we were specifically asked to bring out. This is to test the UL protocol, 3 rounds, 9mm. The bullet weight is very specific. They want a heavier than what normal people are going to go out and buy. 115 grain, hollow points, critical defense, things like that. That's what people are told are good rounds to keep in their personal defense weapons. This round requirement is 124 grain. It hits harder, it's a heavier bullet. We're doing this from exactly 5 meters, which is 16.4 feet. The reason for that is that we want to gain as much muzzle velocity as we can. Too close, the bullet hasn't reached its full potential. Too far away, it's starting to slow down. So Underwriter Laboratories determined 5 meters is the right place for us to run this test. All 3 rounds captured or absolutely destroyed. Another feature of the Bullet Shield product is that the spall isn't so much that you can't see out. So from our law enforcement experts, what's one of the most important things that you can get from occupants of a building in an active shooter event? Description of the person that's doing, who the perpetrator is. This still allows for me to see everybody without question. Direction, the folks in Tennessee, that school, the teachers and the kids followed the active shooter mitigation plan to a T. There were children on the playground. All of those teachers that were out there got those kids to safety, which was over a wall and into the woods. There were no kids outside by the time law enforcement showed up. The lower rooms where the shooter first went in didn't have anybody in the offices that she could find. They were either hidden or not in that space behind glass. They had to go upstairs before she found anybody. When law enforcement showed up on scene, I've gotten to see the video, teachers were directing exactly where the last place they saw the person, description of the person, clothes, ball cap, color of shoes. That was excellent. They needed something like this or this just to keep them out for the time that the law enforcement needed to show up. 14 minutes and 30 seconds and they neutralized that threat. That's pretty incredible. Why don't we put another 3 in here? Let's overdo the test. This is passed. Let's see if we can get some penetration with 9mm. Okay, I promised you guys a demonstration with just the panel. No frame, no glass, no additionals, no sides. All right, so this is just meat and potatoes now. By itself, I don't need anybody's frame or glass to help stop a bullet. Contrary to other products that are out there that have to be applied to a certain thickness of glass to gain any kind of ballistic resistance. They're going to exceed the test parameters 4 times. So we're going to, instead of just doing 3 rounds for the Underwriter Laboratory 752 test, they're going to put 5 rounds in each corner. So we're going to put 20 rounds in here. In between each 5 rounds, we'll take a look. That's 5 rounds stacked on top of each other and just now starting to see some level of penetration. We have no penetration.
Right.
You have expansion.
No. Yeah.
And those are stacked on top of each other.
Look at that brass in there. That's cool. Yeah, that's awesome.
The important thing here is that we are tightening up the group. Instead of it being at a 4 to 5 inch triangle, he's stacking them right on top of each other in what, about a silver dollar range, and we still don't have any kind of penetration of a full round. This has far exceeded any UL standard. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys something you didn't request, but we're gonna go up to the 44 Magnum. With the 44 Magnum, we've got basically one of the largest calibers and handgun available. Concealable, easily brought in. Although the majority of crimes, according to FBI statistics, that involve guns, involve a 9mm round. So what you're gonna see right now is the Underwriter Laboratory 752 level 3 test, which will be 3 rounds of 44 Magnum in a 4 to 5 inch triangle. That's where all that energy dispersed to. So ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the manufacturer rep version of the test. We've exceeded the level 1 testing, shown how it still works even with extreme conditions of 5 rounds being stacked on top of each other. The level 3 with 3 rounds of 44 Magnum. What protocol are you going with, James?
Do you have enough magazines?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot the 44 and a 9mm at the exact same time in the center of the plate.
Level 3 bullet shield is the most popular product that we have. We sell it 3 to 1 to any other. Level 1 is our number 2. Very effective. Would you like to see the backside of this? There's 0 penetration to it.